11 divided by 2. 2 goes into 11 how many times? Look, here 1, first digit is 1, which is less than 2. So consider this. This is 1's place, this is 10's place. So our quotient will be over 1's place since we are considering the digit 1's place. So 11. 2 goes into 11 how many times? 6 times 12, which is greater. So 10. So 5 times. So 5 times 2, 10. Subtract 1. So our one of the answer is 5, remainder 1. But if you want to write the answer in decimal, then take here a decimal point, then add 0, any number of 0. Bring down the first 0, so we are getting here 10. Before this 0, there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract 0. So our answer is 5.5.